NVAX stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Is Novavax stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, I'm the only guy in this space with an actual track record and 5 years of experience, all documented, like 44,000 videos. No one else comes even close, and all the data shows. And I mean, I'm not just saying that, you know, I've seen what's working. You can check my YouTube videos. It's all out there, and data is basically pretty much, you can see the data. Especially with Novavax, because it's a supply zone, and I hope that maybe I saw a shift here. That never happened. It's kind of silly for me to think that. The price kept melting. In all seriousness, even though it melted, I'm not going to immediately sell. But if there is some lower breaks beneath 637, then you bet I'll do that. Right? And here's my confirmation point. And all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm just waiting for rules to be met. And if they're not met, I'm not selling. Yeah, very simple. So if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free, plus you get stock picks, click the first link in the description. It's free.